What up everybody? So in this video I will be talking about the 4 best ways to make money online. Okay, the fourth one will be my top priority and what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I will leave it to the end. So again, if you are new to my channel, my name is Alexander. I'm making full-time income online dropshipping on eBay. So if you're interested about this information, please consider subscribing to my channel for the most updated information on 2018 about eBay dropshipping. Okay, so let's begin. The first method. Okay, so the first method is Amazon FBA. Okay, so basically Amazon FBA, it is it's very simple. So Amazon, it is like the biggest platform that there is, allowing other sellers to sell on their platform. Amazon, like they are selling their own products, but mostly this is it's like eBay but much bigger. Okay, so the concept is that you are contacting suppliers from China. uh, Mainly they are like you can find them on Alibaba.com. Okay, you just reach out to them with a product that you are interested, and you are exporting this item from China to the Amazon FBA facilities. Okay, to the Amazon warehouses in the United States or United Kingdom. Amazon has multiple warehouses and hangars across all over the world. It depends which marketplace you want to sell on, and the biggest one, of course, is United States. So basically, you're shipping your items to Amazon warehouses, and they handle the customer service, the packing the items and shipping the items to the customer, giving the Prime service, to 2 days shipping service, and the UK it's 1 day shipping, the Prime. Yeah, so the second one is Shopify. So Shopify was a huge, like now it's in a huge increase. I bet you saw like all over the internet, Shopify, dropshipping on Shopify. So the thing is, with Shopify, okay, Shopify, it's basically when you are drop shipping. Okay, so if you don't know what is drop shipping, it's basically you're advertising item that you don't have in stock. Okay, and just when people purchase from you, you just give your supplier the customer's details with the delivery address, and they ship straight the item straight to your customer. Okay, so basically the thing is like you drop shipping, like almost everyone use AliExpress. Okay, you uploading products from AliExpress to your own Shopify store. Okay, you need to have a domain and create your brand, um, and then that's it. Basically, this is the concept. You just drop ship to your own website, but the thing is that you have to have traffic. Okay, because your website don't have any traffic, so you need to really master Facebook ads. Okay, so you need to, like, this is I think more expensive like online income method, because you need to spend a lot. If you are not like super good with Facebook ads, you can really lose a lot of money before you find the winning product. So uh, like the people that don't have enough capital to do enough tests of winning items, I don't suggest with doing this method. Okay, so the third method is affiliate marketing. Okay, so affiliate marketing is also like very similar. You're you're promoting other people's products. Okay, so almost every service, every company, like every website business, they have like affiliate program. Okay, even For example, I'm using tools for my eBay business, and those tools are offering affiliate links. Okay, so basically what it does that if someone purchased this item through your affiliate link, you get a commission. Okay, you just need to find the correct people to advertise them those products. Okay, basically it works most of it in email marketing. Okay, like you need to have a big list of emails and then market them like products that they are interested in, and then when they purchase this item through your link, you get a commission. Okay, so this is the third way. And the fourth way and my way that I'm doing money online, and this is my I think the best way if you don't have any money to invest in, like when you're starting out. So it is eBay drop shipping. Okay, so basically this is the cheapest business model that you can go ahead and start. Okay, so basically it's like Shopify, that you just take products from other suppliers. You can use US suppliers. Like the most common business model is dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. Okay, so basically you're taking products using repricing tools, and just list those items on your eBay store, and when someone purchases the item, you just again you ship the item straight. You order this item from your supplier and ship this item straight to your customer. Okay, so the thing that the most important thing that eBay has its own traffic. Okay, you don't need to pay for a Facebook ads or Google ads or any kind of traffic. It has its own traffic, like millions and millions and people like going to eBay like every day to buy products. Okay, yeah, and basically this is I think the most best way to get started. And I don't say that the other methods are not working. Okay, I think Amazon FBA and Shopify, this is a very scalable businesses, but you need to have an investment to start doing that. Okay, and dropshipping on eBay can be like a great cash flow that you can start making online almost passive income after that you outsource your business, and you can have enough cash flow to use this capital to start another businesses like Amazon, Shopify, because you also want to not only have one business and one stream of income, you want to have multiple streams of income. Okay, so this is my favorite method, and this is the method that I am master. Okay, in eBay dropshipping, and doing this for more than 2 years now. And I'm planning to go ahead and start my Amazon FBA and Shopify and all those things, but a bit later. I want to build more cash flow from eBay. And yeah, guys, so if you are new to my channel, most of my videos are about dropshipping on eBay, ebay.com and eBay UK, most of it. And if you want to learn more about it, I have free good videos that can really help you to understand the concept and start making some online money. So if you're interested about it, go ahead and check my videos, and make sure you're subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.